Alright, so what I have here is a very nasty carpet. We bought an HHR there, right there, and it had this carpet in the back. So I'm going to see if I can clean it up. We're going to try this, it's a Bissell Little Green Proheat. So I poured really hot water in here. I'm going to get some solution, put it in there. I have some spray. I'll spray on these on here, and then we'll see if this works. I got this Woolite Oxy Deep. So what I do is you pull the side out like this and lift this up, and then you take some of this. Pour some in here. That's the proper amount. And I'm just going to shake it up a little bit, mix it in. Oh! And don't tip it all the way over, because it spills out. And I'm just going to put it back. Put it back in here. And it's not so hot, it didn't burn me, so. I got this stuff, this instant carpet spot remover. It's supposed to make carpet spots remove like magic. Let's see, here's a spot. Looks like it's still there. So I'm just gonna go over and spray the bad spots. And then I'm probably just gonna spray, this looks like glue back here. I don't think this is ever gonna come up. But I'm just going to go over and just haze it's real nasty over here. Just spray it all down. Might as well. Okay. Alright, I got this brush here. I'm going to see if I can brush out some of these stains. Let's concentrate on this guy right here, this black stain right here. Huh? Looks like it might have worked. I'm just going to go over the whole carpet. Alright, it's not wet enough. Let's spray some stuff on it. Alright, let's see what happens. Alright, so that's with just pretty much shampooing it. And I did scrub with the drill this spot. There was a spot over there. That looks like it came out. Really nasty over here, dirty, and real nasty dirty over here. So this looks okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep cleaning this part here. I'm going to get the drill out. It's nice and damp now. I'm going to get the drill out and see if I can work this dirt out of here and and up here, around here. I don't know, maybe I can get this out. I'll try. And then I'm going to work this spot right here. I will see if I can get that out. So we'll concentrate on that spot right there. Alright, well, here's half of it done. Still some dirt left in here, but it's really ground in there. I'll let it dry and see what it looks like. You can still see there's some dirt here around the edges. I did get this pretty much out, but what happened, I started ruining the carpet. So I got these other two. I might be a little bit less aggressive to see if I can get it out, because you can see I tore a lot of the carpet out. but I might have to do that to get that sticky off. But anyway, you can see the difference. I mean, it's not all just that carpet cleaner. I mean, I did scrub it with the brush too, but the cleaner's working pretty good. It's getting a lot of the stuff out. So now I just have to do this side. Change out the water. Let's see. This is what I pulled out of it. Pretty dark. Well, still some water left. I still have some clean water left, so I'm going to keep going. And dump that dirty stuff. Clean water. Let's go get some more. Okay, well, there you have it. I got the orange things out. You can see carpet screwed up there. It's also discoloring, right? But the carpet's really, I really hit it too much with the brush. That one looks okay, still a little discolored and discolored. Still a little bit dirty down here. I'm going to let it dry and see what this looks like. But remember, this part was really stained over here. this part all was really bad. So I'm gonna let that dry. Let's see what it looks like. I think it looks, I don't know, 65–70% better compared to the one that's in here. So this one here I pulled from the junkyard. All I got to do with this one, it looks like, is just vacuum it up. There's a little bit of a stain here on the edge, but that will probably come out. But I like this one a lot better. This one went in my car. This is going to my son's car. This is the original one that was in my son's car, so he gets the one that was originally in there. That's it. I'm going to let it dry, and we'll see what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so here's the end result of the carpet. Now, this isn't all with just that the Bissell Little Green Proheat. I did clean with that as best I could, and then I decided to take the pressure washer out, and I just took the pressure washer and I just pressure washed the heck out of it, and that got a lot more of the dirt out. Might be still a little bit stained here, but there was a whole bunch of dirt came out once I pressure washed it. You can see this orange stuff that was here. You can still see where the the glue was, but orange is gone. Carpet's kind of messed up in those spots, but it looks so much better. So after I pressure washed, it was soaked with water, and then I did use the little Green Pro to suck up all the rest of the water and all the dirt and stuff like that. But there you go. Just wanted to thank you guys for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.